Some people like to sit by the aisle of an airplane. Others prefer to look out the windows. And some even wonder, why do airplane windows have rounded corners? To what I say? Ask an engineer. I can't answer that! I can tell you it's not for aesthetic reason. Actually, it's for safety. More specifically, aircraft windows have rounded corners because of cabin pressurization. As an aircraft climbs up in altitude, the pressure inside of the cabin diminishes. It diminishes so much that if nothing is done, there will not be enough pressure to allow passengers to survive. To prevent this unfortunate outcome, aircraft cabins are pressurized. High-pressure air is taken from the engine and sent into the cabin to provide adequate pressure. It's a bit like when you inflate a balloon. The air goes into the cabin and pushes the fuselage in all directions. But fuselages are designed to withstand this type of pressure, and they will not stretch like a balloon would. But you have to understand that this puts a lot of stress on the fuselage and on the windows. With square-shaped windows, the stress concentrates in the sharp corners, bringing the stress to much higher levels. But on rounded corner windows, the stress concentration effect is gone because the stress is distributed more evenly across the whole window frame. And this is why we have rounded corners. Older aircraft didn't fly at very high altitude and did not require pressurization. So their fuselage and window structure did not have to endure the extra stress. Hence the common square window shape of those aircraft. A very famous example of that is the DC-3. The first commercial jet aircraft, the De Havilland Comet, was flying to much higher altitude and required pressurization. Unfortunately, its designers adopted the square window shape. The repeated pressurization cycles led to structural problems and even accidents. But the industry learned about this, and they adopted the rounded corner design, which is still in use today. So now, there you have it. When you look at the window and you see that rounded corner, know that it's there for your own safety. Visit our channel for more answers and to submit your own questions. The most interesting ones will be showcased in future episodes, and you may be selected to be the one presenting your explanations when people ask an engineer.